Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an embiggening cocktail grounded. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a cocktail shaker, a jigger for precise measurements, and a fine mesh strainer. Ensure your glassware is chilled, perhaps in the freezer for 10 minutes, to maintain the drink's optimal temperature. High-quality ice is also crucial for proper dilution and chilling without watering down your creation. Now, let's talk about the heart of our embiggening cocktail, the ingredients. We'll start with 1.5 ounces of a rich, dark rum as our base. Next, add 3/4 ounce of an orange liqueur to provide a sweet and aromatic counterpoint. For brightness, include 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Finally, a dash, about 10 drops, of aromatic bitters will tie all the flavors together, adding complexity and a grounded finish. With our ingredients measured, it's time to mix. Pour all your liquid components into a cocktail shaker filled 2/3 with fresh ice. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. This ensures proper chilling and dilution. Then, using a fine mesh strainer, double strain the cocktail into your chilled coupe glass. This removes any small ice shards, resulting in a smooth, clear drink. The final touch is the garnish, which elevates both the aroma and visual appeal. Take a fresh orange peel, about 2 inches long, and express its oils over the drink by twisting it. Then, gently drop the peel into the glass. Serve your embiggening cocktail immediately to experience its full, grounded flavor profile. Enjoy the harmonious blend of sweet, tart, and aromatic notes you've expertly crafted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.